This GreenPan Deco hard anodized healthy ceramic pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a nonstick surface. This makes cooking easy and cleanup even easier. The 12-inch size is perfect for many meals. It comes with a lid to trap heat and moisture. The gold-toned stainless steel handle adds a touch of elegance. It also provides a secure grip. This GreenPan Deco hard anodized healthy ceramic pan looks good and performs well. This GreenPan Deco hard anodized healthy ceramic pan is built to last the hard anodized. Construction makes it very durable. It resists scratches, so it will look newer for longer. You can even put it in the dishwasher for simple cleaning. Plus, it is oven safe, offering more cooking options. You can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. This pan is also PFAS-free. This means it is made without harmful chemicals like Teflon, so you can cook with peace of mind. Overall, this GreenPan Deco hard anodized healthy ceramic sauté pan is a solid choice. It offers good performance and convenience. It is easy to use and clean. While it might not involve any kitchen shenanigans, it gets the job done well. It is a reliable pan for everyday cooking. If you are looking for a healthy and durable nonstick option, this could be it. Consider your cooking needs and payment options before deciding. Pros: healthy ceramic, nonstick 12-inch size, comes with lid, gold handle, stainless steel handle. Durable, scratch resistant, dishwasher safe, oven safe, PFAS-free. Black color. Cons: handle can get hot, lid can get hot, some say it sticks, not always durable, quality can be instant, might need more oil, can be overpriced, has specific care rules. Features: nonstick 12-inch, sauté pan, with lid, gold tone handle, stainless steel, durable, scratch resistant, dishwasher safe, oven safe, PFAS-free. This GreenPan Deco sauté pan is 12 inches wide and comes with a lid. It has a gold-toned stainless steel handle. The pan is made to be strong and not scratch easily. It's safe to wash in the dishwasher and can also go in the oven. This pan is made without PFAS, which is a type of chemical. It has a non-stick surface, so food should not stick to it while cooking. This GreenPan Deco sauté pan is 12 inches and has a non-stick ceramic coating that is PFAS-free, making it a healthy choice for cooking. It comes with a lid and a gold-toned stainless steel handle. The pan is designed to be durable and scratch-resistant, and it's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven. However, some users have noted that the handle and lid can get hot, and a few have experienced food sticking or inconsistent quality over time. It might also require a bit more oil than some other pans and could be considered expensive by some. Keep in mind that it has specific care instructions to help it last.